Great.
Last month, the first string came down with the illness. And Ultimate Wrestling, heartless.
Scared of a ladder match or table match.
They think they can just replace me with someone and then have match of the night? No. I don't think so. No. There is no match of the night unless I'm here in the ring. Shut up!
Kick his ass! Kick his ass! Hey, you better hit the floor, little boy! Get a haircut while you're at it.
Just a damn minute. So let me get this straight. Let me get this straight. You get sick. You're puking your guts out in Tallahassee.
Whoa, that's where Mr. Strokes is from.
Hey, you two are one and the same. Just admit it. And you have a problem with management coming to the story of the year, coming to the icon, coming to the face of the franchise.
The loser!
You have a problem with them coming to me and saying, Brian Caige,
Save the show, baby!
a tables match. Will you give us a tables match? And not only do I say, oh hell yeah, I give them a match in that damn year. Something that you have never done in this ring or any other, despite your shot of the week, which I gotta give you a ton of credit for. It takes a lot to take an ass moving like that and still have your head on straight. But the fact is, don't be mad at me because I took an opportunity and did what I always do, which is steal the damn show. See, I heard people making their New Year's resolution about how 2012 is going to be the year of so-and-so. Blah, blah, blah. This is my year. I'm the story of the year. Each and every year. I've proven it each and every year. And 2012 is going to be no different. Faux hawk or not, I'm still the best wrestler in this company. And if I'm not mistaken, we got one more retard we need to get out here to have a triple threat match with what I heard. I think it's Chad Angel. I'm not sure. It could be the Black Fox. I'm not positive. Whatever it is, it's not just you and me tonight. As much as I would love to school you in this ring. I think we've got someone else in this match to stick it up more than you.
Slap the setting light on that, go boy! Let's start it now! Jelly roll! The man who ended the street, baby! That's right! See, all these other people don't remember his name, but
Miss Piggy over there loves that guy.
The same guy who ended your streak, loser of the year.
I'm the only one with any personality in here. Holden Rock wannabe.
Rock wannabe, that's funny.
You mean the guy who ended your streak? Yeah, you remember that? Yeah, that's what I thought.
You don't want to talk about that. This is going to be a good match.
It's on.
Watch your back! You got time. Quicker, boy.
Nah, good count, ref, good count. Come on, Wolf. Don't take that from that jelly roll.
That was cool. Come on, Brian. Those first strings lurking around. Miss Liberty wants to fight. Get him, Brian.
Come on, Cameron! No. There you go. Come on, Cameron. Yeah, beat the cellulite off him.
That take a lot.
Squeeze that head like a pimple. Break it.
No.
Squeeze it till his eyeballs pop out.
Check the star, Tristan. Like that, didn't you? Black Wolf. Just lurking around. Sneaking around. Sneaking little door. Get him, Wolf. Get him, Wolf. Oh, snap. That looked like it hurt like hell.
Come on, Cameron!
Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron! Cameron!
Anybody but Caige! Anybody but Caige!
That's it.
Yeah!
Why are you walking around, dude?
Come on, Cameron!
That was tough. Dude needs a tanning bed.
Come on, Cameron! Come on, Cameron!
Uh-oh, look out! Get him! Uh-oh! Shit! We outsmarted both of you! Whoa, 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 whoa!
That's called a 3 count, Caige!
Got you both off guard. Now you two go at it. What the hell? One-on-one. Kick him, Cameron! Kick him! Kick him, Cameron! Yeah! Oh! Chase him to the back. There you go. Drag his ass to the ring. Drag his ass. Get out of the way, Tristan.
He don't want none. Jelly Roll don't want none.
Get him. Drag him out here, Cameron.
Yeah!